great news for everyone out there that is currently holding DJT. The gamma squeeze is shaping up like never before, and the likelihood is much better than last week. Stick around. I'm going to explain to you guys in a deep, detailed look. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out PHUN, which is currently seeing a short cover wave that is showing major signs for a continuation here tomorrow. Stick around. We're going to talk about it all, but before we do so, let's get ready to make some money. If you did catch yesterday's video, then you're well aware of my $50 price target, which I do believe will be reached here in DJT before the election November 5th. And with the huge change in the options chain, ladies and gentlemen, that gamma squeeze is looking even more promising than it ever did before. As you all know, we did fall short here last week, but this week it is totally looking different. In fact, crossing that $35 strike here, we did see a huge amount, 6,000 here, but approaching those $40 levels, we do see 40 here, as you guys can see here. If we cross that $40 level, 7.47 thousand. Okay, contracts, multiply that by 100, and that is how many shares will have to be bought in the open market to cover those calls if we do drift beyond the $40 mark, around $42 to $43 here before the end of the week. And the type of price action that we have been seeing here in DJT, it is likely to happen. All we need for this thing to actually take place is for those $42 to $43 levels to actually hold going into the end of the week, and then we will see that gamma squeeze unfold. But far as our $30 strike, ladies and gentlemen, heading into maybe tomorrow, we may start seeing these call options start to be covered because it's 4,000 here, $31 half, 3.51 thousand. And as the days go on, if you did catch yesterday's video, the call chain didn't look like this at all. It wasn't loaded like this. Today we did see a major increase, and we do expect to see an increase here tomorrow. So the gamma squeeze is building up momentum, and if you're currently holding DJT, you have something to hold on for. And if you agree with me with that, can you please comment still holding in the comment section below. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, and that is PHUN. PHUN doesn't have an options chain, so this isn't in a gamma squeeze situation, but what we are currently seeing is a short cover wave, and it is building even more momentum. If we take a brief look and just check out yesterday's short sale analysis Tuesday, as you guys can see here, 7.86 million in total short volume. That is extremely high. You have to take in consideration PHUN was just recently not even seeing that total trading volume. Just here on the 14th, not even 2 weeks ago, ladies and gentlemen, PHUN seeing a total trading volume of 2 million. The first breakout day, 43 million. Okay. Today, well, yesterday's volume 64 million, today coming in at 43 million, and we did see a nice gap up. That's a very great sign for today's cover situation. As you guys can see here, we did actually receive nice inflow activity picking up here on that extra large scale early off in the trading day. If we go to the 1 minute chart, as you guys can see here, early off in the trading day, we got a little bit of inflow activity here, basically more covering going on than shorting here at that extra large scale, getting as high as 623,000. But right away, we start to see outflow, huge outflow on the extra large scale, which points to a lot of shorting here today. The short sell analysis hasn't came in PHUN just yet, but just looking at the capital trend gives me a very great gut feeling we're going to see high short sale ratio numbers here. Okay, a very high short sale ratio. I do feel as though that we're going to actually break yesterday's short sale ratio. 12.14% isn't a slouch at all. Okay, shorts did take heavy advantage here of yesterday's uptrend, but today's pre-market price action ultimately put huge pressure on those short positions, and in today's aftermarket buying pressure holding up certain key levels is ultimately even putting more pressure on those short positions. Now, if we do see adequate buying pressure here in PHUN yet again here tomorrow, expect for another breakout day. As you all know, my $17 price target has recently got raised to $19 here in PHUN before the election, and that may be a little bit early. All right. So with that being said, if you're holding PHUN, comment in the comment section below the ticker. If you're holding DJT, comment the ticker. And if you're holding both, can you please comment that as well? And just as a reminder, everyone, I will be going live 1 p.m. Central Time here on Friday. Friday is my best trading days, so you do not want to miss out on those real-time alerts. And may the gains be with you.